Hey everyone, enjoy the show. It's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? What we have here is a 12.5-inch Cutty Sark reverse glass convex sign. Really nice condition. Put it in a frame here. Convex, if you take a look at it, you can see how it bubbles out like this, which basically gives it more definition. It's really a nice piece. If you are collecting any Britannia or Cutty Sark in general, or just want some cool artwork for the background, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.